Alright, so here, even though we're in middle of winter, we have some little buds growing right here on this deciduous tree. I'm not sure what kind of tree it is, but I'm going to take these buds, since that's where all the energy is. Just a couple of little guys, but if I was hungry and I needed to eat something, I could probably get a lot of these off this tree and, at least give me a little bit of energy. So,
come on, Daddy.
Enough talking, and let's see how they taste. Not as flavorful as the conifer, but not bad. They don't have a bad flavor. Kind of no flavor. But yeah, there you go. Eating deciduous trees.